In the UK, there are two types of parking tickets. There are penalty charge notices, which are issued by local councils, and parking charge notices, which are issued by parking operators. To check your vehicle fines online, you can use the PCN number found on the notice. This number identifies your alleged parking offence and allows you to check your fines and pay online through the issuing authority's website. You'll need the PCN number, the date you got the fine, your personal details, and your vehicle registration details to access this information. Most fines will let you pay on an online portal. Don't pay though if you want to appeal, because it will close the case and basically you're admitting liability. If you do think it was your fault and you pay, then I would screenshot the payment so that you've got proof if anyone tries to claim that you haven't paid. You are legally obliged to pay a penalty charge notice, but parking charge notices from private operators are not initially enforceable. But if you do ignore these, it can result in court action, and private operators often pursue payment vigorously. If you don't pay a penalty charge notice, the council may take you to court. After receiving a charge certificate, then you've got 14 more days to pay the full amount. If ignored, the case could escalate to court, resulting in a court order and potentially bailiff's involvement. For penalty charge notices, you can make an informal appeal within 14 days if the notice was placed on your car. If you got it in the post, then a formal appeal must be made within 28 days. Formal appeals require a representation letter with evidence supporting your case. The council has 56 days to respond. If they don't, then you win by default. For parking charge notices, appeal to the private company that issued the ticket within 28 days. Provide evidence like unclear signage or proof you weren't driving. The company has 56 days to respond, and if they don't, then you win automatically. The registered keeper is responsible for paying penalty charge notices, but you can seek reimbursement from the driver at the time of the violation. For parking charge notices, you can prove you weren't the driver to redirect the charge. To avoid issues with private parking fines, use companies that are members of the ATA, that's the Accredited Trade Association. Non-members aren't allowed to request your address from the DVLA, making it impossible to contact you further. Overall, it's really important to take action rather than just ignoring parking tickets, either by paying as soon as you can or appealing as soon as you can within that designated time frame. If you're unsure whether your appeal's likely to be successful, then you may want to chat to an online solicitor. JustAnswer runs a £5 trial, and you can ask as many questions as you need to on the online chat about your parking ticket. If you do use the link that I'll leave you under this video, you'll be supporting the Debt Advice Service, so thanks.